Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 hilarious idioms for not smart. Remember, these idioms are funny, but use them carefully in real life because some can sound rude. Number 1. The lights are on but nobody's home. It means someone is clueless or not thinking clearly. Example, he said water is wet. The lights are on but nobody's home. Number 2. Not the sharpest tool in the shed. It means not very intelligent. Example, my brother tried to microwave his phone. He's not the sharpest tool in the shed. Number 3. Not the brightest bulb in the box. It means not very intelligent. Example, she forgot her own birthday twice. She's not the brightest bulb in the box. Number 4. A few fries short of a happy meal. It means not very smart, mentally lacking. Example, he tried to log in with the wrong password 100 times. He's a few fries short of a happy meal. Number 5. Not playing with a full deck. It means not very intelligent or mentally unstable. Example, he bet his house on that stupid idea. He's not playing with a full deck. Number 6. The elevator doesn't go to the top floor. It means not very bright, doesn't think clearly. Example, she thought the internet was in the clouds. The elevator doesn't go to the top floor. Number 7. A few bricks short of a load. It means not very smart or mentally lacking. Example, he wore swim trunks to a wedding. He's a few bricks short of a load. Number 8. Dumber than a box of rocks. It means very unintelligent. Example, he locked his keys inside and left the engine running. He's dumber than a box of rocks. Number 9. A few sandwiches short of a picnic. It means not very smart, lacking intelligence. Example, she tried to call her own voicemail to test it. She's a few sandwiches short of a picnic. Number 10. Off your rocker. It means not thinking clearly, crazy or clueless. Example, you want to drive without a license? You're off your rocker. Wow, that was a hilarious idiom journey. Which one made you laugh the most? Write your favorite idiom in the comments and try using it in your own sentence. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson.